Hello, my name is Muhammad Zaidi bin Ibrahim. I am from Section 2, Mechatronic, SEMM3253, and here are my team members. The project team that we choose is Internet of Things based on smart cities, and our project is about smart parking system. So as we know, there are many problems occur every time people want to find parking space. It causes traffic congestion while waiting and searching for the parking. People become stressed and unable to find parking, causing spending too much time, or worse, lead to argument between people. So this system is allow the user to book a parking space to make work to find parking space is easy and saving time. So how this system works? It works with three main components. And first is the analog sensor, which is light dependent resistant LDR. The sensor will detect any light intensity. When there is no car around, the sensor detects many light intensities and send signal to turn on the LED. And it's indicating that there is an empty parking space. So when the parking space is filled, the car will block the light intensity and causing the LED to turn off. Second, the digital sensor, which is ultrasonic sensor. So this sensor is detecting distance between cars and the sensor. When the parking space is empty, the sensor will send the data to the Blink application to state the parking is available. When car already parked, sensor detect the car, then send data to Blink stating that the parking is now currently unavailable. Third is the analog output PWM, which is we use DC motor. This DC motor will lift up and lift down the gate to enter and get out from the parking space. This DC motor is controlled using Blink's apps. Then there is Node MCU ESP8266, working as microcontroller and Wi-Fi. And lastly, a motor driver L293D to control direction of the motor, whether it's counterclockwise or clockwise, to open and close the gate. Here how the system works. So at first, user check the parking space is currently available or not, then book it with an advance payment. Then the user gets access key to use the button in the Blink's apps to open and close the gate. So when user approaching the gate, user will use open button to lift up the gate and get the car inside. As you see, the LED, which is before this on, is right now is off, meaning the parking already filled in. Then the ultrasonic is detecting obstacle which car near it and send data to Blink. You can see the Blink now state unavailable, meaning the parking is now unavailable. Then the user will press button close to lift down the gate. When the user wants to get out, at this point the user will pay their parking fee and receive back their advance payment. However, this part is not included in this project because we only focus on IoT system only. Then the user will receive access button to open and close up the gate, then leave the parking.